Hey everybody, it's me Stacy here at Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com, and it is time for our Make It Monday event. It's so good. It's a little bit of old and a little bit of new old. Does that make sense? You're like, I don't get it. Well, Make It Monday events are something we try to do here every Monday as long as we have product to bring you, where we take something that maybe is a little bit older from a manufacturer or something they didn't sell through or they ordered too much of, and we bring it to you usually in one bundle that retails for between $80 and $100, but your price is just $19.99. Now today there is no bundle. I have 5 items for you, and they're all going to be sold as individual items. So you can pick just one of the items, or you can get all 5 of them. It's entirely in your hands. And the reason we're doing that is because I do not have equal quantities to make bundles of. I don't have equal quantities at all. I've got a little bit of this and a little bit of that and a little bit more of something else. So we thought the easiest way to do it for today, Cyber Monday, is to offer you just pick what you like and you buy what makes your heart happy, or you look at them and you say, nope, not for me, thank you very much. Being that it is Cyber Monday, it really changes nothing here for us at SMS because I would have been doing a Make It Monday anyway, but the store is crazy busy. I did not expect our store to be busy today. I thought everybody would be back at work, and it turns out they took an extra day off, and they all drove to Scrapbooking Made Simple. God bless their pea-picking hearts, truly. We're so grateful for that. But I was not expecting it. So I am going to keep today's class simple. I'm just going to show you the product and just one sample each, and then let your hearts be happy and say ready, set, go, and turn it on. I will not delay or wait, or I can't make anything today because the store is just that busy. I need to get back downstairs. Yay! I just wish I had thought that it was going to be this busy, but that's okay. We're thrilled anyway. Come on down. Come see us in sunny California. We're in Canyon Country, California, and we are a real live, honest to goodness retail shop. Hello. So today it's all about Spellbinders, and I have 3 dies that you have already seen before that were put together as a bundle and sold for $19.99. We had a few left over. I didn't have enough to make equal amounts in bundles, so I've brought those back, the extras that we had, where there wasn't enough to make a bundle. And then I have 2 new dies for you today. They are all from Becca Feeken. They are all wonderful. They are all priced anywhere from $26.99 up to $40. You're not going to pay anywhere near that price. And I hope that you enjoy them. I hope that for this Cyber Monday, even though it's not a typical, it's our typical Make It Monday, but we'll tag along with that Cyber Monday. Woohoo! You guys must be getting email after email. I know my inbox has been crazy with Cyber Monday deals from just about everybody under the sun. People, companies I don't even buy from, I've gotten emails from. So I'm hoping that today, this is a little break from that just for a moment, because it is our regular Make It Monday, only without the making because the store is so busy. But if you love Spellbinders and you love Becca Feeken and you love, well, they can be interactive, but they don't have to be interactive, and you love a deal, this is a great Make It Monday for you, knowing that you can buy just the one that you love, 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 or the 3 that you love, 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 or maybe you missed the bundle last time. So I'm going to tilt down. I'm going to get started for today. Remember, I will make these available as soon as I say ready, set, go towards the end of this Make It Monday event. And well, what may be old is new again. Maybe at the original price of $40, this die was unaffordable to you, but at the price we have it for today, or maybe the $29.99 die, now down to $5.99, maybe it was just the $29.99 was never going to happen, but maybe the $5.99, maybe that's right up your alley. And that is what Make It Mondays are all about. Are you ready to see? I'm going to start with the 2 new dies No, I'm going to start with the 3 older dies and then show you the 2 new dies. And gosh, for the price, holy smokes, artichokes. All right, I'm going to tilt on down. We're going to get started for today. It's good to see everybody. Next week I will be back to my normal Make It Mondays where I'm actually making something, but the store is so hopping right now, I have got to get back downstairs. That's the best problem ever to have. Really, our store, anytime our store has business, we're like, oh, customers, yes. Okay, I'm going to tilt on down. We're going to get started for today. I'm just going to walk you through them and show you a sample, and then we'll be done. Okay, down we go. Because I'm sure there's, between now and then, there's going to be 25 more emails in your inbox saying, Cyber Monday, get your deal now, Cyber Monday. Okay, so let's start with the dies that we had before. So this was a die of a month club. It is a darling. I can't find the sample. It's downstairs somewhere. It is a darling Gumball machine that is interactive, and I'll show you one of the others. Now, it doesn't have to be interactive. You could just use the front of it, but my goodness gracious. And this sold for $40. This was its retail price. Not here. We have it on sale. Make It Monday type pricing. This one is the one I am most limited in. Like hardly anything. So I'm just giving you a heads up. This will be the hardest one to come by, okay? So we've done this before, and we did it with the house. Now, this shows as a dog house, but I didn't do it as a dog house at all when I did the original Make It Monday, and it is interactive. It's a darling house. It can be a bird house, it can be a regular house. Yes, it can be a dog house or a kitty house, but it is a fabulous looking die, and it is. Look at how cute is this. So here, and then lays. Can you see how it layers? And you've got all of those vignettes behind it that make up the entire look. It's flippin' adorable. And then when you want to send it, it folds flat down into an A2 size card, and off you go. So like I said, this could be a birdhouse. You don't have to put the door in it at all. The door, you can just leave a beautiful vintage floral filigree front. You don't have to use the dog bone. It's darling. So this die we have had before, but now it is just sold individually at a Cyber Monday price. The other die that we have had before, and I guess I was holding it wrong, is the camera. Okay, so it's an old-fashioned camera. I kept thinking it was like this. Turns out it's like this. And super popular. Again, you can just use the front of it if you just want to make a cute card, but if you want to do that 3D, and here they've put in different pictures to slide in to hold them. Isn't that darling? Different pictures to slide in. Really cute. So, 3-dimensional, if you want, you can just use the front pieces to make a card, and when you're ready to send it, it folds flat and easy peasy. So these are the 3 that I had prior in a I Want It All bundle. And it was an amazing value. And now you can buy, if you missed it, you can buy all of them again, just individually if you just wanted one of them. But then I have 2 new ones for you. And again, we're not bundling them. I'm letting them be just open stock. How cute is this? And again, all 3D'd out. And look at, wait, are you waiting? Breaking news! Look at how darling is this? And then that can slide right back in there. You can put pictures in there. You can put a gift card in there. And it stands up just so cute. And if you wanted, you can just use the front of it to make a darling card. You don't have to do the whole vignette if you do not want to, but it is absolutely darling. Here, there's 25 dies to make it. You do get You're Awesome, and you get Breaking News. Oh, so you do get the die that says Breaking News. Very cute. Everything comes with it. It is a Becca Feeken die. I don't know how easily these are to get. We did buy everything that Spellbinders had, and it is being sold at a regular price. Let's see. I think, well, the next one is, yeah. So the Gumball machine retailed for $40. I know that the house, I think the house retailed for $29. The camera retailed for $29. And I think the TV is retailed for $27. But that's not what you're going to pay, not anywhere near there. So the first new die that I have is the little TV with the breaking news. All right, the second new die that I have is the hot air balloon. And I believe the hot air balloon also retailed for $29.99. I mean, again, you don't have to use the 3D vignette with this. Oh my gosh, this one's fabulous just on its own, just for that hot air balloon. And all the decoration, well, you know, it's a Becca Feeken die, so you know that they put lots of decoration into it. She really gave you the opportunity to make it something more than just a hot air balloon. Absolutely. And here is the sample. So when it's together, isn't that beautiful? I mean, the detail in all of her dies they're amazing. It's amazing. And then if you want it as the vignette, and then when you go to send it, it lays flat. Or if you want to keep it simple, you can just use the front on a card base. I think the detail in all of these, the little knobs, I mean, look at the little knobs. Aren't they so cute? All the little detail that she puts into her dies is stunning. The balloon retailed for $29.99. I believe the TV is $26.99. So these are the two new ones for today, not as a bundle. You can choose the TV, you can choose the balloon, you can get both of them, or if you missed any of the others, whether it be the vintage camera or the house or the Gumball machine, now would be the time to get them. When they are gone, we can't get any more. And if you do a pay later, please honor your commitment to pay for the merchandise. We ask that you honor that commitment, because what happens is you do a pay later, we send you the invoices, you don't pay them, or you ignore them, and then somebody else never had the opportunity to get this product. So if you're doing a pay later, we ask that you please honor that, because eventually if most people don't, we won't be able to offer that option anymore. And that would truly break my heart. We've been doing pay laters since the day I opened, and I never want to change that, ever. So help me help you. So the 5 dies we have are the Gumball machine. This we have done before. We have very few left. It was a $40 die. Then we have the house. We have done before. Oh, do I have 2 Gumball machines? I do. The house we have done before, whether you keep it as a dog house, a bird house, or you don't cut the little hole in it at all and just have it as a cute ornament. Oh my gosh, all of these would be darling Christmas ornaments. You could make this the cutest little gingerbread house. Holy smokes, and because it's dimensional, you could make it into an ornament. Sweet. And then we have the old-fashioned camera. think I saw a Legos almost similar to this not too long ago, doing an old-fashioned camera. And then we have the two new ones, the TV set, the vintage TV set, and the hot air balloon. You choose what makes your heart happy. Whether it's 1, 2, 3, 4, or all of them at Make It Monday pricing. That just happens to be on Cyber Monday too. It just worked out that way. So flippin' darling. So I'm going to keep this very short and very sweet because like I said, oh my gosh, our store is busy. And well, yes, I'm on YouTube. I'm also a retail store owner that actually cashes out customers. Not as often as I used to, but I will cash out customers. I will help customers. I show them how to use the die cutting machines. I'm out there. When we are busy, it is all hands on deck, and that is today. So I appreciate your understanding that I'm not making anything for you today, but I will be back with our normal Make It Mondays next week when Cyber Monday is not going on. I think more people took Monday off than we had anticipated. But again, we are so blessed to see customers come through our door. Oh my gosh, it just makes our heart so happy. If you are anywhere in Southern California, come to Canyon Country, California. We're in the city of Santa Clarita, about 40 miles north of Los Angeles. Monday through Friday, 10 to 6, we are here for you. And if not, we'll take advantage of the Make It Monday event online. The two items that will be available in our store are the two new ones. They've already pulled them and put them out. So these two are available in our retail store. The three older ones, we have such limited quantities of them. It is online only, but of course, as a local peep, you can choose pickup in our retail store, and we'd be happy to do that for you. And when your order's ready, we just give you a call. All right, you guys, it is me, Stacy, Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com, with a super fast Cyber Monday, Make It Monday event, which really had nothing to do with Cyber Monday, but we just happened to be on Cyber Monday. So if you've had a great holiday, I am so happy for you. If you had some blessings come your way, maybe that is spending time with your family or having some downtime. Maybe you just got to relax for a few days. I hope this past holiday weekend was amazing for you and that you were able to share and to be part of something, even if that's just with your fur babies, because let me tell you, they love you. I had Ellie and Mr. SMS had to go to a doctor's appointment, and so Ellie was downstairs with me, and anytime she's not with him, that is her person. She loves me. She loves him more. That is her person. So when he left, she started to shake. So I picked her up and I had her in my lap and she stopped shaking. But the minute he walked through the door, bam, I was chopped liver. And that's okay with me because they are two peas in a pod. You couldn't have asked for a better match made in heaven, except for me as Mrs. SMS. So I hope that you had a wonderful holiday weekend. I will be back on Thursday with our next expedited event, and I'm trying to think of who that is. I have a feeling it's Sizzix, where we do bring you the latest and greatest from Sizzix. All right, you guys, ready, set, go. It is time for me to go downstairs and be back in the retail store. I will see you later. In case I didn't say ready, set, go, ready, set, go. I'm Stacy, Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com. Bye, everybody.